This is going to be the powder puff heat. All ladies out there right now. We're going to start off with the 831 and Heather Brick. $369 is Nina Patron. Coming in next, 20 is Colleen Van Dern. Boudrin, I'm sorry, I read the wrong thing here. This is an all-ladies heat, all-ladies heat. $24 coming in next, Tina LaCroix. Once again, you notice our official stops each car before they come in. They're double checking. Make sure that they got the helmet on with a chin strap nice and tight, eye protection in place, and double checking the seat belt. Looks like that one's ready to come on in. We'll get you the number of it coming up in just a moment. Car 6 coming in, Robin Burnell. .015 is going to be Emily Roche. 21, Irene Jordan. I know we're going to take a third, a second, and a first place, but we will run to last car running. All right, got the officials coming out, coming out. All right, looking the whole way around, near side, far side. Watching the boss man down there, gonna get ready to go from 5, and 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's get it on, and away we go. Gonna get a slow start coming on out. 24 makes the first big hit with a 2-0 coming on down. 2-1 working up on the top side with the 2-1. 2-1 gonna take it on back around. Here we go, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Double push on the far side. 1-5 coming on over. Double hit from the 3, 6, and 9. 6 down on the lower end, taking a 2-4 coming back hard. 2-4, how do you do with a 6? 8-31 coming on over and well. Get 1, 2, 3, big hit out of the 3, 6, and that 9 out there. Up that 8, I look close. Taking it on up, 2-0 working with a 2-4 coming on down. Get 1, get 2, get 3. Spin a row, taking it on back up. 3, 6, and 9 coming up strong, man. 31. 8-31 out there, Brick in the 8-3 and 1, getting pushed around right now, bounce off over here, coming on the wall, 2-0 on the far side, get 1, 2, 3, oh, a big crunch Rooney, out of the 3, 6, and 9 of Bernard, 2-0 coming on back with a 2-4, taking it the whole way up, oh, action on the top, action in the middle with a 2-1, coming on around, 6 with room to work down here, going to turn around, take it on up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the top, 2, 1, coming back saying, how do you do? Get 1, get 2, get 3. Oh, jacked him up, picked him up, put him back down. Oh, we're starting to get the serious hitting going on now. Taking it up on the top side. 2-0 coming on strong. 1, 2, 3, 4, working up with 3 on the top side. Gonna do a little push and shove, separation. Everybody has room to rock. 1 and 2, slip sliding right on by with the 2-0 coming up. 8 and 3 and 2, working on the bottom. 1, 2, and 3, ring around to Rosie, up here on the top side with LaRoche into 0-1 and 5. 6 coming up strong, followed by the 8-31. 1, 2, 3, 4, tied up in the middle. 3, 6, and 9 on the top. 2, 4, looking on over with the 1 and 5. Getting turned around down here, 0-1, 5 a.m. to LaRoche. Brunel working in the 6. Brunel in the middle with a 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, tied up. Going to bring the 0-1, 5 up. Oh, another jack him up working down here. Taking it back in for 3, 6, and 9. Coming up through the middle of the 2-4, working down here, and 8-31 working down there, a brick. 6 coming down strong with Brunel. Gonna do a wall push up on the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 still running. Taking the action up on the top, coming across to the 8-31. 8-31 on the top with Brunel in the 6. 2-0 on the wall. Gonna take a push down. Whoa, away we go. Spin them around and roll them up. 6 coming off, taking it on up. Out of the 6 of Brunel. Robin Brunel in the 6. 3, 6, and 9. Taking a hit down there with Bernard. 8, 1 and 3 coming on over. 2-0 working in the middle, coming around. 2-0 got the speed up, taking it the whole way down. Hold up, hold up. All right, everybody hold up, hold up, hold. Anytime our officials see anything that may be a problem, potential problem, we will always stop, make sure everybody's safe. From here, it looks like the driver had the eye protection knocked off. I think they're hunting for his pair of safety glasses right now. And they found it. All right. And we'll get back to the action. We still have crew in. Nobody move, nobody move, nobody move. All right, when I get the signal, we're going to give them a 3 count. They've been running. Watch you down on the bottom side. And 3, 2, 1. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. More time, away we go. 2-1 go. Get started. 2-0 working down on the bottom of the 6. 6 coming on back with Brunel. Brunel coming back with slow. 8 and 31 working on top with Brick. Brick into 831. 2-4 coming on around. Brunel coming up in the 6. 2 and 1 trying to get back. Up on the far side. Gonna do the big spinneroo. Coming up with room to rock. 3, 6, and 9. Oh, slipping and slide. Give 1, 2, 3, and 4. Up on the top. Round and round and round we're gonna go. All right, 2 and 4, trying to get back in there with LaCroix. LaCroix into 2 and 4. Brunel down here in 6. Robin Brunel taking hits, going to take it on back around. Get 1, get 2, get 3, working on the front end. Taking on back and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Got a driver door warning out there. All right, coming up with a separation, 3, 6, and 9. Got a driver door warning on the 831. Driver door warning on the 8-3 and 1 of Brick. Brick coming the whole way around and going to get the hit. Got a separation coming up there with the 0-1 and 5 coming in there. 0-1 and 5 of LaRoche. LaRoche taking it on back. 2 and 1 working down here. Got 1, 2, 3 over here. 831 trying to get started. 2-0 working down there. Action up on the top side with a 2-1. Coming on back to 2-1 and Jordan. Jordan to 2-1, 2-0 coming over to say how do you do. Got 2 tied. They're separated. Away we go. Big hit coming. Oh, Slam-a-Rooney. All right, taking it on back. Okay, down here we got action working down here. Bringing the 831 back. 2-0 with room to rock. 3, 6, and 9. Taking it on up. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Watching them down here. Coming on back around here we go with a 2-0 coming around. 2-1 down on the lower end. 3 and 6, 9. Working on up here to 3, 6, 9. Taking up separation. 2-0 back into it. Bringing it back in together. 2-0 working on out there. Oh my goodness. Big Slam-a-Rooney down on the lower end. Round and round and round we go. 20 coming on back through with the 2-0 of Van Dern. Van Dern coming on back. Round and round we go. Take them on back. Starting to weed them down. Got to get them down to a 3, to a 2, and a 1. Action all down on this end. We're going to get them tied up. 2 working down here. Bring it on up. 2-1 trying to come on back into it. With action from the 2-1 of Jordan. Jordan coming over in the 2 and a 1. Taking the action down. We're slowing down a little bit. We got to get her down to a 3rd, 2nd, and a 1st. All right, got the action tied up down on the lower again. 1, 2, and 3 working down there. 2, 4, 2. 2-0 coming up strong at 2-0 of Dorn. Then Dorn going to take a ring around to Rosie. Bring around 1, bring around 2, bring around 3. Round and round we go. 2-4, fire back. 4 coming around strong into 3, 6, and 9. Going to get 1, 2, 3 together right down here with the 831. 3 on the top with Brick. Brick into 831 working up on down here. And Dorn working down here to 2-0. Coming on back around. 2-4. Back into it again with a 2-4. Round and round we go again. Coming up on the top side. 1 and 2. 2-4 looking large with a 2-0. 2-0 coming on around with the Dorn. Get 1, get 2, 3. Everybody's lined up down there. Clock running on the 2 and 1. Action working up on the top side. They separate. Everybody waiting to make the next hit. Let's get. Oh, we lifted him up. Put him back down. Had to lift the up going up there. Get 1, 2, 3 together. All right, they're all sandwiched up there. Got 1, 2, 3, 4 running all together up on the top side. Separating up. 2-0 trying to get back into it. The 2-0 in turn. 24 looking it on over with Tina LaCroix. LaCroix coming around into 2 and 4. Working on 8:31 out there, a brick. Gonna do the big push around down here. Separation on top, bring it on down here. Got the steep heat starting into 2 and 4. 2-0, all right, hold up, hold up, hold up. Hold up. All right, everybody hold still, hold still. Once again, anytime they see something that might be a problem, looks like it may have been a gas leak. Gonna let that driver get out. That's right, you got the idea. Oh, yeah. Yeah. All right, we are officially now down to 3. Down to 3. All right, hold on. Still have a driver leaving the field. All right, we are taking the first, taking the second, taking the third, looking on around, watching the boss man down here. Going to go for 3 when I get the signal in. 3, 2, 1. Let's go, let's go. All right, going to get them together right down here. We still have the 2-4 out there working. Got the 2-4. Tina LaCroix. Oh, big slamming doodle out of the 20 car out there. Pauline Van Der. All right, 2-4 pulling on up. 8 and 31. Still moving back and forth with Heather Brick into 8:31. All right, they're playing cagey now. Coming on back. It's slow-mo. We got the steam heat. Now's when they want to play cagey. And they get separated away. We go again with the 21-4 of Tina LaCroix coming on back down, 8:31. Trying to get turned around back down there with Heather Brick into 8:30 and 1. 8:31 coming on around on the 2 and 4. Knocked her back around and said, I'm back into it again. Away we go. We still got 2. Going to take it out and fight it out for first place. Up on the top side. Clock running on at the 2-0, the 2-0. All right, looks like we're down to 2. We got the 8 and the 3-1 up there of Brick and the 2-4 of Tina LaCroix. Got the steam heat on 2 and 4. 8:31 pulling on back, looking on over. LaCroix trying to come on back in there. 2 and 4 of LaCroix. Clock running on LaCroix. 8:31 taking it back and forth down there of Brick. Got the clocks running over here on LaCroix. Oh, now away she goes. We still got more action coming. Let's see one more time. They're going to get it together out there. All right, Tina and the 24. Tina LaCroix trying to get it turned around, and away we go one more time. We're going to have it chased down. Taking it the whole way down with a follow-up of the 8:31. Doing the follow-up up there with Heather Brick. All right. Here we go one more time. They're going to keep battling it out for that first place slot. Taking it back and forth for Tina LaCroix. Round and round we go again. It's attrition time now. Here we go, here we go. Over on the wall with the 8-3 and 1 of Heather Brick. Brick coming back on the 2 and 4 of Tina LaCroix. LaCroix still moving, coming on back. They separate again. 8:31 going to take it the whole way around with the 8:31 working out there. Heather Brick. Head the whole way up. Let's see what we're going to do. Going to have a chase down. Let's see. LaCroix sitting down there in the 2 and 4. 8:31 of Heather Brick coming the whole way around. I think we're planning for a meeting of the minds. Let's see. Going to get them together right down there. But guess what? We're still out here rocking. Oh, we got 2 tough lady drivers out there. Each one wants to finish and have that first stop. Now it looks like we're starting to get a little steamy coming out of the 8:31 down there. Heather Brick. Now LaCroix says, now it's my turn. LaCroix coming around looking for that front end, trying to get turned around. Looks like we have a little steering issue. Taking it back and forth. Slow-mo hit coming, but here it comes. Slow-mo. Made contact. 831 taking it back and forth to the 831 of Heather Brick. All right, well, hey, guess what? We're still rocking out there. LaCroix said I can come back one more time as well. They're just going to keep slamming and bamming out there until one has no more go. All right, taking one back and forth. 831 coming. Says, come on, little car. Come on, little car. Come on. They get it together one more time. They do it for working on out there. And they do it for Kenny LaCroix. 8 and 3-1 Heather Brick. They're going to take it back and forth. All right, they're going to pull the 831 back. Going to hold the 831. All right, hold up, hold up. Need a fireman out there. Need a fireman out to the 2-4. Fireman to the 2-4. Everybody sit still. We're going to have to pop the top. Going to look down in there. Take a good peek. And we're going to let them take a good look. Sometimes after a little fire, you get a little something hot under there. We want to make sure we get everything cooled off. Got the fire personnel and the officials right there. All right, Tina's going to see if she can get started again. I believe Tina still has a few seconds on the clock.
30 seconds, Mike, they go.
All right, he'll give them the go. It's going to be 30 seconds left. 3, 2, 1. Let's go and see who can keep it moving. 30 seconds left running. Clock is running on the 2-4. I'll tell you what, she's in there saying, come on, little car, come on, little car. Here we go, trying to come back. Trying to get her moving. Got to make that contact. Got the clock ticking. She's fighting the clock at 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Second place goes to the 24. First place goes to the 831 of Heather Brick. Oh, I'll tell you what, they fought it out hard. Well, you know what we're going to do, get it cleaned up, and we're ready to bring our next
Demolition Man. Demolition Man.